Hey guys, so today we have the tutorial for this beautiful lace scarf. So follow me along. So today we're going to be using this ice yarns and we're going to use 300 grams of it. So this is the Ice Sail Winter 50 gram cakes and donuts, and the 70 meters within the ball. 25% wool, 10% viscose and 65% acrylic. This is a standard 4 weight yarn, sheer Aran, worsted, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to be using a 5.5mm hook or an eye hook and a darning needle. So let's get started. Right, with this scarf you can use any yarn you want, any hook you want. You can make it as thick as you want, as thin as you want, because you're going to know the chain repeat. So you're going to chain 4 and then plus 1. So multiples of 4, then plus 1. So we're going to do the slip knot. Wrap the yarn around your thumb twice. This first one goes behind the back one. That one that was the back one goes over the thumb. Slip your hook in and tighten up and you're done. So for this I'm going to be chaining 36 and then plus 1, so 37. And chain loosely. Right, so now I have my 37 chains. I'm going to start on row number 1. But like I said in the previous video, I don't work into the V's, I do work through the spine, because then it leaves that nice V border, and I like that. I think it looks so much neater. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're going to be working in the 6th chain from the hook. Going to do into this one chain, going to do 2 double crochet, chain 3, 2 double crochet. It's 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2. So there you have your first V-stitch. Now these 5 chains here, that counts as miss 2 and then 3 is your first double crochet. What we're going to do here is we're going to skip 3 chains, 1, 2, 3. Into this 4th one you're going to do another V-stitch, so it's 2 double crochet, chain 3, 2 double crochet. That's 2, 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2. So we're going to do this all the way along until you get to your last 3 chains. So after this you're going to skip 3 into the 4th, another V-stitch, then skip 3 into the 4th, another V-stitch, and I'll see you when you get to the end. Right, so now I'm at the end of the row. I just have 3 chains left. So what we're going to do is we're going to skip 2, and into this last one we're going to do a double crochet. Now you can either turn your work then chain 3, or just chain 3 then turn your work, whichever way, it's entirely up to you. So this chain 3 counts as your first double crochet, and it does in every row throughout. So within this V-stitch you've got the 3 chains. Into this 3 chains you're going to do another V-stitch. So it's 2 double crochet, chain 3, 2 double crochet. Now this row 2 is mostly like row 1, except we do one special little difference, which makes the whole pattern, to be honest with you. So in between these 2 V's from the previous row, we're going to insert a double crochet. Just like that. So then into this chain 3 we do another V-stitch, 2 double crochet, chain 3, and another 2 double crochet. And then, yes, you guessed it, in between the 2 V-stitches from the previous row we're going to do a double crochet. So we're going to do that all the way across and into this chain 5, the 5th chain of the turning chain, you're going to put a double crochet. So I will see you back when we get to the end. Right, so I've now reached the end of this row. And look at how beautiful it is with that double crochet in between. So we'll do row 3. So chain 3, turn your work, or turn your work in chain 3. Now into this chain 3 of the V-stitch, we're going to do another V-stitch. So that's 2 double crochet, chain 3, 2 double crochet. We're going to just completely ignore this double crochet here, just pretend that it doesn't exist and bypass it. And then do another V-stitch into the chain 3 of the next V-stitch. Now I'm not going very slow for you guys because this is a very simple pattern, and honestly I don't believe that it needs for me to go slow. I think that you can manage it without, to be honest. Right, so for the rest of this row 3 is just exactly the same, V-stitch into every V-stitch and just bypass the double crochet. So I shall see you when I get to the end. Right, so now I've reached the end of row 3, into chain 3 of this turning chain, I added a double crochet. So that's what it looks like so far. So we're going to repeat row 2 and row 3. So the next row will be the ones with the added double crochet. Then the one after that will just be this plain row. So where you bypass the double crochet. And you're going to keep doing that for as much yarn as you have. You are going to, your last row that you work is going to be a row 3 row. So when you get to the end, you need to leave a little bit left over, just enough for about a row. So I can teach you to end the row just like this has started with these chains. It's all about the symmetry. So yeah, I will see you when you get to the end. Don't forget, your last worked row is going to be a row 3. I'll see you back then. Right, so now we're at the end of the scarf, having ended after a row 3. So it's the row 2, row 3. So what we're going to do now is going to turn our work. I'm going to chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Into this chain 3 space, single crochet. Then chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Into the next chain 3 space, you're going to do another single crochet. So do this all the way across to the end of the row. So once you're at the end, into the 3rd chain of the turning chain, you're going to put a double crochet. So you do your normal chain 3 and then put in double crochet. And then we're going to fasten it off. So just do yarn over and pull all the rest of the yarn through. So out of the 300 grams, this is all I have left out of it. And as you'll see, that's what the end looks like, and this is the beginning of the scarf. So it looks the same. So now all you need to do is sew in all of your loose ends and you have a fabulous new scarf. I hope you enjoy the pattern. If you make it, let me know in the comments down below. If you have something in mind that you want me to make and do a tutorial for, let me know in the comments down below. I hope you enjoyed this. Have a great day and happy crafting. Bye.